So hello and welcome. Today we will discuss lesson number 4 and we will compare numbers. At first we must look quick review. We write how many tens each number has. So let's start together. The question task number 1, 15. How many tens it has? 1 tenth. Number 20, 2 tenths. Number 54, 5 tenths. And number 182, 8 tenths. Now let's look. This is very important and you must know what it means compare numbers, what it means less than, greater than and equal to. So we have here a small example. So how near and how far? Sana lives 262 kilometers from Hawler and 245 kilometers from Suleymania. Which city does she live closer to? So what it means compare number? Compare numbers, it means to decide which of two numbers is greater. It means to decide which of two numbers is greater. We use these symbols. Which symbols we use? Is less than, it's missing. Is greater than, that's what was less than, it's greater than, it's equal to. Remember it, very good. And let's look our problem with Sana. We must show, if we want to use this base 10 blocks, we must look. 262 kilometers it was from one city and 245 from another city. It means 262 is this number, this is 262, and this is 245. As you can see, we have this block is the same, this block is the same. It means 200, they are the same. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. It means 60. And here we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, 40. It means compare from left to right. First, compare the hundreds we make. They are the same. Since they are the same, compare the tens. You see, it was 6 tenths and it's 4 tenths. So 6 tenths is greater than 4 tenths. It means our result is that 262 is greater than 245. 262 is greater than 245. You can see that there are more tenths. So the result is Suleymania is nearer than Sana's house than Hawler. Suleymania is nearer to Sana's house, not Hawler, okay? You can use after. Another method how to compare two numbers is you can use a number line, okay? We have here 245 kilometers and here is 262 kilometers. So from left, we will start from left to right. You see left, first is this and after is this. It means from left to right. The numbers on the number line are in order from least to greatest. It means 262 is greater than 245. And we see that Suleiman is nearer to Sana's house than Hawler. The same as with the 10 blocks. The last possibility how to compare numbers is if we want to use a place value chart. Here we have here a place value chart. It means we write in one tables hundreds, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Yes. Now you must compare these numbers with these numbers. It means we write first number in first line, second number in the second line. And now compare thousands. We start from the left. We will compare thousands. You see 3 and 3, they are the same. And after compare hundreds, 1 and 2. It means which is more greater? 200. It means we don't need to go here, but our result is here. Okay. What is important here? This is very important to remember that we can compare numbers by using base 10 blocks, number line or place value chart. Again, I will repeat, this was the first possibility how to compare number. After, second possibility how to compare number, it was here with the line number. Okay, and the third possibility is it was to compare number with a place value chart. It's up to you which one you would like to use. And we have here check. In this question, in the question number 1 and 2, you can make alone, and you can try if you are familiar with these 3 techniques. Okay, let's make the question number 3 and 4. Compare the numbers and decide which is, and we must write this symbol, this symbol, or this symbol. Okay, let's look. 68 and 98. Which one is more greater? This. Second, the question number 4. We have this number, and as you can see, this is the same. 1000, they are the same. 400, they are the same. But now we have 110, and here we have 2 tens. It means this is more, is a greater than. Practice and problem solving. Compare numbers. Write for each. Okay. We have here number 92 and 83. Which one is, we see the tens, 9 is more. It means here. After we go 629 and 631. It's like this. We have here 402 and this number. We must at first calculate this. 128 plus 274. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 stay. 2 plus 7 plus 10. 1 stay. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And you see that they are the same, equal. They are equal. Number 14, 3425. It's like this. After we go 6, 9, and 12. 101, 101, and 110. 2412. They are the same. 537, and we must calculate at first this. It's 52 plus 475. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 7. 1 is stay. 4 plus 1 is 5. It means this bigger, greater than. After 428 and 438, we see 4, 4, the same, 2 and 3, and now you can say that the second number is greater than the first number. 894 and 2139. 2000 is greater than 894. After 442, and we must first calculate this. 344 minus 301. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 is 43. It means, of course, like this. After we have this, we can, number 15, question number 15, 5712 is greater than 5,412. Number 17. Compare the numbers 5,361 and 3,974. How you can tell which number is greater? Okay, 5,361 and we'll write here something, and 3,974. We have 5,000 and 3,000. It means this number is greater than the second. Okay, what is the greatest place value position in which the digits of 831 and 819 are different? Compare the numbers. This is for homework. Please make it at home alone. And question number 18. Hero read 125 pages. Hersh read 137 pages. The answer is 12. Little bit confused what it means. Hero read 125 pages. Hersh read 137. Okay, what they mean? Hero 137 minus 125. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 20. And the answer is 12. Okay, I can say that, what we can say here, we can say that 125 is less than 137, and we can say, I don't know why it's like here. What's the question? No idea. Answer is 12. I don't know what it makes. Okay, this is the problem solving. We can use, if you are interested in here, you can make it. The next topic is order numbers, and so it will be our next lesson. So thanks for watching. I hope it was clear for you how you can compare numbers. Again, I can say that you can compare numbers with this 10 blocks. After, you can compare numbers with number line, and the last possibility is compare number with a place value chart.